Dan Herron's last outing was only the second this season that he failed to register a quality start. Looking to bounce back against a Phillies offense that is far and away the top scoring one in the NL. He's up against Cole Hamels, too. Not an easy trek out there for Dan Herron, though. He gets some help from Ryan Roberts, who goes opposite field off of Hamels. Roberts' second home run, and it's 1-0 Arizona. To the third inning, there he is. Dan Herron looking to do his thing, but Shane Victorino getting it right back. The flying Hawaiian keeps it fair down that right field line for Victorino, his 8th home run, and he ties the game up. To the 5th inning we go. Check out this catch by a fan on a foul ball. Makes the grab one-handed. A kid and a soda in his hands. Didn't spill a drop. Didn't drop the kid. And he's got a souvenir. My gosh, that is impressive. Maybe the catch of the year right there. Same inning. Shane Victorino going to double down the right field line. He had 3 hits, 2 runs, 2 RBIs. That scored Cole Hamels. Makes it 2-1. Then Chase Utley. Ground ball first base. Chad Tracy. Not a good throw there. Rollins scores. Herron gives up 3 runs, 2 earned in 5 innings. Back to Hamels. He's settled in real nice. Gets Roberts, who had homered off him earlier, and then Mark Reynolds. Hamels 9 strikeouts, 8 innings, 1 run allowed on 4 hits. To the 7th, Phils are going to pile it on. Bases full. Stephen Drew, big play against Jason Wirtz, saves at least 1 run. Shane Victorino does come in, though, makes it 4-1 Philly. To Brad Lynch in the 9th inning, stake to a 3-run lead, and he's going to need all of it. Mark Reynolds, a 2-run homer. Reynolds 28th, and the D-backs within 1. But Lynch comes back, and against Gerardo Parra, going to get the fly out to left field. So the Phillies hold on for a 4-3 win. Lynch his 20th save despite an ERA over 7. Cole Hamels' 7th win as he helps the Phils improve to a Major League best 19-5 in July. And that despite losing the first 2 games of the month. Dan Herron lasts just 5 innings. His 2nd straight outing lasted just that long. Both are his shortest outings of the season. He did still have to throw 117 pitches.